So I'm here with Matthieu from TDK InvenSense, and they're the IMU partner for the new energy harvesting board in partnership with Ambiq. Matthieu, what's it like working with Ambiq, and what's it like working with the Ambiq device in conjunction with your IMU?
Yeah, good afternoon. Thank you for the question. Yeah, for sure, working with Ambiq, which is an ultra-low power MCU, makes completely sense with TDK InvenSense IMU, since we are also low power driven, and working with them and demonstrating our products on this PCB makes really sense to show the customer the complete solution, showing the very low power capabilities of our products.
Excellent. And in terms of application areas where you see this being a great solution, where do you see this going?
So for sure, this type of IoT modules, especially with energy harvesting, could have multiple type of applications. But you can imagine some small module that you could attach to some robotics to detect movements, for example. And this is exactly what we are showing here. So you have here the direct output of the sensor with a 3-axis accelerometer and 3-axis gyroscopes, which are continuously flowing through the MCU information.
And in terms of interfacing your device with Ambiq's Apollo MCUs, how easy is that? What's the process been like?
So basically, it's quite easy. We use a standard interface.
Nice.
So like here, it's SPI. So the communication with Ambiq is smoothly as it could, since it's a very standard type of interface.
Cool. And I suppose this board, obviously you've got the ability to take out different things and put them in. This is going to be great for IoT application development. So what other exciting things are you hoping to see from Ambiq in the future when it comes to building these types of devices?
So yeah, this is also what we liked working with Ambiq. This solution is very versatile but also flexible. And here we are showing today our IMUs, but TDK InvenSense has also other products, other type of sensors which are also low power. I'm thinking, for example, to our ultrasonic time of flight, which could be a very good fit to this small IoT or this IoT reference design, especially with energy harvesting for presence detection, for example, in a room. This would be a perfect type of application.
Cool. So ultra low power just does the job better. So very, very exciting. I think Chad wanted to express his excitement with working with you guys. Chad, fire away.
Yeah, a lot of excitement all the way around, guys. So, hey, I'm Chad. I'm business development at Ambiq, and I just wanted to express my gratitude to TDK. We really are quite thrilled to be working with them. TDK is extremely well known in the industry, specifically for ultra low power, and in the SoC world, everyone claims that they're ultra low power. At Ambiq, we really take that to entirely new levels with our sub-threshold designs. And you guys at TDK, you bring power consumption into insanely low power,
it's
just like us.
It's very serious for us. Yeah.
So it's a wonderful marriage here that we have between the two companies. So we were thrilled with your ULM that we chose on this design. It was the absolute lowest power thing that we could find. We looked at across the industry, who are the leaders? We look for, what's your best part? And your specs are just phenomenal. We love the performance that we're seeing here. So some of the applications that we're targeting for this reference design include cargo trackers. So you can now have a much smaller battery or eliminate the battery entirely, as we've done on the reference design where we have a supercapacitor here. The idea is to have cargo trackers where your sensor can be used to tell, has the package been dropped? Is the package using AI models running on Ambiq? We can determine from vibration profiles, are you in a car?
On a car, on a ship, or staying on the parking lot. So
absolutely. So valuable information that's really hard to figure out otherwise.
Yes.
So besides cargo trackers, also factory automation, self-healing factories, industrial IoT. You can sense vibration right on a factory machine.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, for preventive maintenance applications, this would be exactly the perfect fit. Yeah.
So kind of helping to implement the vision of that industry where you have dots all over the factory, wireless dots stuck on equipment, multiple of these things detecting vibration profiles.
Yes.
TDK has insanely low microphones as well, low power microphones.
Yeah.
So we're working with those as well on other reference designs in Ambiq, and so you can now listen to the machinery as well to say,
correct.
And using AI determine, is this wrong? Is the equipment starting to fail?
Correct. And also we have new microphones which with threshold to detect different level of sounds, and which we could wake up the system based on sound. So this is really also opening new applications, and also always having in mind to reduce as much as possible the power consumption.
We love your AAD feature. We're using that on our new designs.
Okay,
so
that's
it's fantastic. So anyway, I just wanted to jump in and express my gratitude to TDK.
No, thanks to Ambiq as well.
Your support has been great. We used your drivers from the website. Your FAEs have helped us out. We didn't need their help very much, but everything's been awesome.
Perfect. Thank you very much, Chuck.
Very, very exciting stuff.